Are you ready to ignite curiosity and spark creativity? On April 24th, from 5 to 7 p.m., Millennial Tech Middle School invites you to Family STEAM Night, an evening of hands-on fun in science, technology, engineering, art, and math. Join us at 1110 Carolina Lane in San Diego and be one of the first 300 guests to enjoy free food. Explore interactive stations with teachers and community partners like EarthLab, UCSD CREATE, Home Depot, City of San Diego Parks and Recreation, Cal Coast Credit Union, the Humane Society, Lincoln Robotics, and many more. Build robots, design eco-projects, craft DIY masterpieces, and discover the wonders shaping our world. Admission is free and memories await. Don't miss Family STEAM Night, where discovery begins.